Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I will show you how to make math equation in MS Word 2013. First, open Microsoft Word document. Then go to Insert and click Equation button. Type equation here. So I want to write a square plus b square. So I'm using script a square, that means that is a superscript. So right there a and power is 2 plus, and go to script and select superscript, then b square. Okay, and go to equation. A plus B plus C. Insert, go to equation, root over 2. You can use and make another equation. A square plus b square. So I want to change c square plus d square. You can write here e square. So write in e, then go to script using superscript, then a square. You can easily make mathematical equation in MS Word using equation tool. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.